Before we jump into these two easy hairstyles, I need to curl my hair. So I thought I would kind of run through that really quickly, and I wanted to give you a couple of tips. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here. I'm 55 and I am here every week with a brand new video for women over 40, women over 50 who just want to look and feel their very best. Today I have two really super simple special occasion event mother of the bride hairstyles. One is a really easy updo, and I'm going to show you two hair accessories. But the first thing that I need to do is I need to curl my hair. And if you have hair like I do, my hair does not want to be curled. And when you're going to have an event like this, you need your hair to last all day long. So what I did was I went ahead and I blow dried my hair, and then I pulled the top half of my hair up. So I'm curling the bottom half, and then after every curl, I am spraying on a little spray. Then I'm going to bring the top half down and I'm going to curl that. I'm going to do the exact same thing. But in addition to dividing it into two or maybe even three sections if you have a lot of hair. I don't have a lot of hair and it does not want to be curled. So I do very few hair tutorials because my hair does not play nice. The other thing that I'm going to do is I'm curling everything back. All of the curls are going back except for to take one section on each side and I'm going to curl it forward. And what that does is when you take all the curls out, it just makes it look more natural, less planned hairstyle, if that makes sense. I just realized that my microphone was not playing nice also, so hopefully I have that fixed. All right, I'm going to go ahead and let the top down and curl the rest of my hair. I have this curling iron that I got off of Amazon. Oh my gosh, I love this curling iron so much, and it's like $35, and you decide what size barrel you need. I love this. I will link it down in the description below. All right, here's my curl that is going to go in the opposite direction of everything else. Also, notice that I'm gripping it very close to the base, and the ends are kind of wonky, but you kind of walk it out and you will get the ends curled if you want the ends curled. But this is also a really good way when you have longer hair. My hair's not super long, but when you have longer hair and you need the ends and the base curled, that's how you do that, is you start at the base and then you kind of open it, turn it, open it, turn it, open it, turn it, in order to get the whole strand curled. You'll see what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the rest of my curls. I'll show it to you right before I brush it out, and I'm just going to kind of speed right through it. All right, I'm just going to use my fingers to comb out the curls. You do not necessarily need your hair curled for the second hairstyle, the second hair accessory that I'm going to show you. You do need it for the first. You don't need it. Can you hear my rooster? You don't need it, but it really helps, especially when you don't have a lot of hair. Like me, I don't have a lot of hair. So this first accessory that I'm going to show you works a lot better when my hair is curled. Okay, now once your hair is curled, you can fill in any gaps that you want. But the point of this was to give you some really easy ways to just amp it up and have really beautiful event hair. I have two hair accessories to start with. One is, this is literally a headband, but look at this. Is that not so cool? I have this one, but I also have this one. Down in the description of this video, you will find the link to get these, and I have a code where you can get a discount. This is not sponsored. I love these. And here's why I wanted to do this. I really feel like if you've got a special event coming up and you need a really great hairstyle, you want something, if you're like me, you want something that you can do at home that has a great wow factor but looks believable. The double strand, I really, really like this, but to me, this is kind of sort of not believable. Do you know what I mean? But this single strand just looks like I twisted my hair and I did this myself. Watch me do this, and I'm telling you, this is such a wow factor, but this is so believable, so you'll see why I had to curl my hair first. Can you see how some of my curls are already falling out? Telling you. My hair does not want to be curled, but can you see how really nice this is? It's just a headband. I can put some bobby pins in here if I wanted to kind of keep that in place, but it works better, I feel like, when your hair is curled, because then where it gets a little bulky down here, you can maneuver your curls around the headband so that it's not noticeable at all. And the single strand, like I said, if I'm going to do my hair at home myself, I want something with a wow factor that looks really, really pretty, but super believable. I really feel like this does that. I'm going to take this out and let me show you the other one for a fantastic updo. This is what they call a top knot ponytail accessory, because this is essentially hair, but a ponytail holder. Mine is super messy because I use it to but this is the way it comes. It just comes all pretty, and I have a backup because I love it so much. I don't want to be without it. And the color that I use is called highlighted. I'm pretty sure it's called highlighted, but I will again put that down in the description. So all I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull my hair back in a ponytail. I have the back of my hair in a very loose ponytail, not like super, super tight. I want to be able to play with it. Again, I'm going for loose, romantic, pretty, feminine. We'll do the sides a little later. Now what I'm going to do in the back is kind of create a semi-permanent bun, and it will be hidden under the hair accessory. All I need to do is just kind of keep that hair in place. For my semi-permanent bun, I'm going to put in some bobby pins. When I put the hair accessory in, that is going to have a lot more hair, which of course I don't have. So then I will need to open up the bobby pins a little bit more. So this little bun that I put in doesn't matter. It's just an anchor to have something for the hair accessory to grab onto. But also, since my hair is super straight, I don't have a lot of hair. I have the ponytail of a 5-year-old. I don't want my hair to be spiking out. Now you'll see when I put this on, just wrapping it around, tucking it in with pins, wrapping it around, tucking it in with pins, and you decide when you use it. Do you want more hair sticking out? Do you want to look messier? Do you want it to look neater? You decide. Now I'm pinning some of these other little curls that we did on the side. But do you see how easy that is? And I'm going to tell you, I wear this little ponytail accessory all the time. And the first time I wore it, my 16-year-old came home and said, "Is that your hair?" I said, "No." She said, "Oh my gosh, that looks just like your hair." I would love to know down in the comments if you think you can do this yourself. I just feel like these hair accessories are so well made. They're so pretty. They do a great job matching your hair color. If they don't get it quite right, they will fix that for you. But I just think these give you an extra wow factor, because if you're like me, on a day when I have a special occasion, whether it's a wedding, some sort of a shower, Christmas party, whatever, and you feel like, okay, I cannot do one more thing. I cannot find the time in my schedule to go out, have my hair done, come home, do everything else that I need to do. You can easily use these at home yourself. People will just be so impressed that you did this yourself. I mean, it just goes in like a breeze. Like I said, so well made. And I practice with my hair a lot at night before I go to bed. So that way I can wash my hair. If I don't like it, I can start over in the morning. And sometimes when I'm practicing, I go, oh gosh, I should have done this instead of do that. No big deal. It's right before I go to bed. So I hope this was helpful. I will link everything down in the description below, including my discount code. I hope that you love these. Let me know if you have any questions. And now I know that you're so prepared to do special event hair yourself at home. Go out today and be blessed and do your best, and I will see you in the next video.